The company PPZS presents the SMARTPANEL, a new generation of building systems. SMARTPANEL is a precast concrete panel system developed in-house at PPZS. The initial construction tests of the SMARTPANELs are now transported to the construction site. Today's goal is to build all the walls of a single-story family house with the usable area of just over 100 square meters within a 10-hour construction window. The house is to be built with millimeter precision, which is 5 times more accurate than today's existing technology. At least 16 of the system's unique features will today be put to the test. In order for the entire construction to be successful and for the SMARTPANEL as a whole to perform as expected, it is essential that all 16 features work perfectly. Currently, 37 unique features are part of the SMARTPANEL system. Many are already patented, and others are pending. Considerable resources have been spent on their development, so the stakes are very high. The first panel has been successfully laid and secured with a single steel brace. This speeds construction and greatly improves efficiency. This installation method ranks SMARTPANEL among the fastest building systems in the world, in contrast to existing systems in which a minimum of 2 braces per panel are needed before the crane can be released, waiting 24 hours for the joints between the panels to harden. In the SMARTPANEL system, each individual panel is automatically guided into its final position before it reaches the ground. All errors in positioning are eliminated. The locking system also guides the connected panels to the precise vertical position. Thoughtful considerations and a high degree of prefabrication no longer require the creativity of the masons on site and eliminate mistakes. The innovative design of the transport frames increases the truck's capacity by 4 times, vastly reducing the carbon footprint. Waste generation on site is minimized. Construction is fast and does not disturb the surrounding area. SMARTPANELs offers residents and property developers the largest benefits. High reliability and a long service life are inherent characteristics of reinforced concrete. However, in the SMARTPANEL system, this is further enhanced by placing thermal insulation on the facade side. The load-bearing structures are thus in a stable environment with various expansions kept to a minimum, while at the same time the thermal and moisture capacity of all heavy elements of the building is fully utilized. The high diffusion resistance of the SMARTPANEL envelope walls also help to maintain the required humidity in the heated building. The sophisticated insulation without thermal bridges is already carefully installed from the factory, including all airtight aluminum fenestrations. These elements, designed for passive houses, are placed at the level of the inner layer of the facade insulation. This prevents condensation in the corners of the window reveal. These key elements create a pleasant, stable, and healthy indoor environment, preventing both summer overheating and the onset of typical winter respiratory problems. The high strength, fire resistance, and acoustic insulation of precast reinforced concrete allows for the use of slender walls. A residential building made of SMARTPANEL has on average 4% greater yield of usable area than a lightweight or cavity block construction. This, together with a more efficient construction, makes the system more economical and attractive, most importantly in urban areas. Another important feature of the system is the emphasis on a clean final design. Although only the rough construction is now visible, preparations for sophisticated, high-design elements include door openings with a tongue for the future installation of non-rebated doors, niches at the footing of the walls to prepare for an architecturally clean corner between the wall and the floor, and large electrical boxes for cleanly flush-mounted outlets. The SMARTPANEL system again raises the bar for the modern high-end design. The precision of this unique system allows for these high-end finishing possibilities. The last external panel has been fitted, and now we are about to witness another first, the insertion of a partition panel that has a clearance of just 2 millimeters in relation to the existing walls. To the great joy of the PPZS workers, the operation was a tremendous success, and now the last partition panel remains to be fitted. The task was completed on time and schedule. The SMARTPANEL system is ready to satisfy the most demanding customers. So, dear friends, the first house of SMARTPANEL. PPZS, a step further.